In this video, I'll guide you through how to confirm that your Brevo emails are landing in the inbox and not getting caught in spam filters. Ensuring that your emails reach your audience's inbox is crucial for maintaining engagement and achieving your communication goals. So, let's dive into the steps to verify your email deliverability using Brevo. First, you'll want to head over to Brevo's website, open your preferred web browser, and type in brevo.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account if you haven't already. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools you need to monitor your email campaigns. Next, navigate to the marketing section of your Brevo dashboard. This is where you'll find all the resources related to your campaigns, including insights that can help improve your email performance. Clicking on the marketing tab will bring up a variety of options, but for this tutorial, you're going to want to focus on statistics. Once you've clicked on statistics, you'll be able to see an overview of your recent email activities. This section is incredibly useful because it gives you a snapshot of how well your campaigns are doing. Look for the section labeled Email Campaigns. This is where your specific email campaigns are listed, and you can dig deeper into the performance of each one. Now, find the email campaign you're interested in and select it. Once you've chosen a campaign, click on the Report option. This will open up a detailed report on that specific campaign, providing you with a wealth of information about how your emails are performing in terms of opens, clicks, and most importantly, deliverability. The final step is to click on Deliverability within the report. Deliverability is a key metric that tells you whether your emails are reaching the intended recipients' inboxes. This section will show you detailed data on how many of your emails are being delivered successfully and whether any are ending up in spam folders. Understanding this data is essential for making any necessary adjustments to improve your email campaigns. If you notice that a significant number of your emails are not making it to the inbox, it could be a sign that you need to review your email content, subject lines, or even the sending practices you are currently using. Some additional tips to enhance your deliverability include ensuring that your email content is relevant and engaging, avoiding spammy language, and maintaining a clean and updated email list. Regularly checking your statistics and deliverability reports in Brevo will help you stay on top of your email marketing game and keep your messages where they belong in the inbox. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to confirm whether your Brevo emails are going straight to the inbox or if they're getting caught in spam. Regularly monitoring these reports and making necessary adjustments can greatly enhance the success of your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your email campaigns.